Sairam Guru Bandhus. Divine blessings of Sri Sai to you and your family. With the divine grace of Swami, as you all know, we Sainagra family members successfully completed Koti Pranam Shripada. As part of this initiative, we all chanted 1 crore times of Siddhamangala Stotram in 55 weeks, starting from Guru Purnami in 2020 to Guru Purnami in 2021. Right. So, all Swami's grace and excellent support from all the participants, so much of discipline, dedication, devotion, and everybody chanted for Samasta Loka Sukhino Bhavantu. And this is very much needed, right? And as you all know, the power of Siddhamangala Stotram. So, since the completion, many participants started reaching out to me asking what is the next initiative or why can't we continue with the current initiative and all. As you know, any initiative in Sainagra, we just don't start like that, right? So we will be praying Swami, we will be waiting for his green light, we will be waiting for his message, and then only we will implement. So as always, this time also I prayed Swami and I begged his guidance and I waited, I prayed for his instructions, and so that's what happened. Okay, so Swami gave a message to start Mandala Puja. Okay, so Mandala means 40 days. Okay, so he wanted everybody to chant Siddhamangala Stotram 2 times every day and also read Sripada Sri Vallabha Stotra Shatanamavali 1 time. Okay, so I'm meant to post how Swami blessed with Astotra Shatanamavali. I'll be posting in a separate video. So Swami wanted all of us to chant Siddhamangala Stotram daily 2 times and read Astotra Shatanamavali 1 time for 40 days. And that 40 days it goes on. So first 40 days if it is completes and again next 40 days like that. So Mandala Puja, he wanted all of us to do it. And also as per his message, we have to start this on Rakhi Purnami, which is also called Shravana Purnami, and this year it is on 22nd August, right? So Swami gave clear instruction, okay, and many times I just follow, and sometimes, monkey mind, what happens, we start thinking, okay, is it a message from Swami? Is it the instruction from Swami? So same thing happened this time to me also. Sometimes it should happen as well, right? Because it proves that yes, Swami is the one who is doing it. And same thing happened. So what happened? I asked Swami, please give clear instructions. Even though he gave clear instructions, but I asked again. Then Swami beautifully proved that it is his message through Sripada Sri Vallabha Charitamritam. So first reconfirmation, how he reconfirmed, okay. Then I prayed Swami and I was expecting 13th chapter when I opened Sripada Sri Vallabha Charitamritam book, okay. I was expecting that chapter because I know what is there in that content. You will come to know next. Then I opened Swami's book and as I said, expecting 13th chapter, but surprisingly, I got 29th chapter and it talks about Vasavi Kanika Parameswari. So if you observe, okay, why Vasavi Kanika Parameswari? Because Swami said, start this new initiative from Rakhi Purnami, and Vasavi Kanika Parameswari is sister of Sripada. She ties Rakhi to Sripada and Swami likes it. And that's why even now when I am explaining this, I am getting goosebumps, okay. So that's why Swami gave a reference of Vasavi Kanika Parameswari and he made me to open 29th chapter. Because Vasavi Mata is Swami's dear sister and she ties Rakhi to Sripada on Rakhi Purnami. So Swami's message, it is, he reconfirmed it. The initiative should be started on Rakhi Purnami. Okay, and the second reconfirmation. So daily I'll be reading 34th chapter from Sripada Srivallabha Charitamritam, and on that day I was getting ready to read the same chapter, but without my efforts, without my intervention, the book, it just got opened. Okay, it just got opened, and it opened exactly on the 13th chapter, which I was expecting before. And the message that is there, the same message whatever I was expecting, it opened at the same page. And this is the message: devotees of Sripada have to observe a vow for a mandala, which is 40 days, to remove the undesirable effects caused by the movement of 9 planets in the 27 stars as scanned from their horoscopes. If Sripada is worshipped for a mandala with care and devotion, or his hagiography is read devotedly during that period, all desires will be fulfilled. Okay, so this is the message. And then I was so surprised, I was speechless. Okay, so I was praying Swami, and he reconfirmed that you have to do, you all, not only me, everybody has to do that 40 days puja, and then every initiative we name it, right? And then this is what happened. He also made me to look at the heading of the above paragraph. I read Swami Charitra in Telugu, and the heading is Mandala Kala Archana. Okay, so that is the name of the initiative. So he did not give any trouble to me to pray for him again for a initiative name. He himself named it Mandala Kala Archana. So if you look at this, look here how beautifully he named the initiative too. Okay, as we are going to chant Siddhamangala Stotram and read his Astotra Shatanamavali, it is going to be called as Archana. Okay, Archana here means if you want to do any puja with flowers, akshatas and all, you can do. But if you don't have that, that is also fine. Praying Swami and following Swami's message is itself is a puja, right? So Swami said, read 2 times of Siddhamangala Stotram and read his Astotra Shatanamavali. That itself is Archana. No separate Archana is needed. No separate puja is needed. Do this. And we are going to do this for 40 days. It is called Mandala Kala. So that's why the name Mandala Kala Archana. Okay. So this is how Swami blessed us to pass his message and make everybody to get benefit out of this new initiative. So we request all Sai Bandhus, all Guru Bandhus, join our initiative. The link is there in the video description down. You can click that link and you can register yourself. We will be adding you to the respective WhatsApp group. Okay, so please spread the word, because this is Swami's message, this is Swami's initiative, and he wanted everybody to be part of it, so that our undesirable effects caused by the movement of 9 planets for all the stars will be removed, right? And this is very much needed. And also we have to pray for Samasta Loka Sukhino Bhavantu, because we know about this initiative, we are joining. There are people who don't know about this initiative, they also should get benefited. So that's why we are chanting for ourselves, we are praying for everybody, right? We are praying for the welfare of all the worlds. In the welfare of the world lies our welfare too. Okay, so we request everybody to join this initiative, spread the word and make many people join, so that everybody will get benefit out of it. Thanks everyone for spending your valuable time listening to the miracle. Please share this video as well with others. Share the link and spread the Swami's message. Divine blessings of Sri Sai to all. Sri Sainath Paripurna Krupa Kataksha Siddhirastu. Om Shanti 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 Samasta Loka Sukhino Bhavantu. Samasta Loka Sukhino Bhavantu. Samasta Loka Sukhino Bhavantu. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Thank you, Sai Ram.